Good morning, dear friends. Always begin a day with a mind full of positive aspirations and beliefs. The reality of life is that every individual on this earth has a lot of dreams and aspirations that they want to achieve. But then, why do some people succeed in life while others keep trying till the end of their life? In spite of taking so many efforts, they will find it difficult to get success. Many researchers proved that the one who succeeds has a very clear and well defined goal, has worked towards it consistently, and was able to achieve success in life. But the reason why many people fail to succeed in life is their ignorance of the talents or skills or the absence of a well defined goal. Though they may set goals, but quite often they may change their goals according to the goals of others, or try to give excuses, may change their goals from time to time according to the goals of others. And they are not able to fulfill their plans. They are not prepared to change themselves or take extra efforts, or it may be due to lack of confidence in themselves. And that is the reason why many people miss to achieve success in life. Hence, in this video, I'm going to bring out the way in which one can achieve success in life. Let me tell you, the richest wealth in this world is your wisdom. The strongest weapon is your determination and consistent effort. The best security is faith in your own abilities. And the most important ingredient for all this is your positive mindset, which is very, very important if you want to succeed in life. Life for all is full of ups and downs, but the success of your life depends to the extent to which you have a burning desire to succeed. Just believe that there are a bundle of opportunities available for you that you can grab from this world. You should develop the mindset to accept opportunities and utilize it properly to succeed in life. Now tell me, what do you understand by hearing the word success? Success is so sweet. Success is the progressive achievements of your goals in life. The definition of success may vary from one person to another, but what success really means is the attainment of your vision in life. You should have a goal which you already predefined, which you have framed according to the talents and abilities that you possess. It has to be in alignment with your wishes, with your desire in life. You should know what really gives you more happiness. Keeping all this in mind, you will have to frame your goals and you will have to untiringly work towards your goals. Always start your day with a goal. Your goal should be aligned with your passion and your ability to pursue it. Unless you have a well defined goal, you will never know where your life is moving. It will make your life meaningless. Do not try to imitate others. Do not try to copy the goals of others. You should have your own individual goal. Everybody is bestowed with some unique qualities. Try to identify what is that unique skill, unique talent that you possess, what you are good at. Find out in what way it can help others to improve their life and be of service to others. Also, try to find out how you can monetize your skill. Very, very important. As Jim Rohn says, successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Let me repeat it again. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't be disappointed if you're not able to fulfill your aspirations. You may have goals. You should have long-term goals as well as short-term goals. So you should know how to break your long-term goals into short-term goals, and you have to start achieving your short-term goals one by one. When you completely accomplish all your short-term goals, you would have reached your long-term goal. That is how you will have to frame your goals. Success in life will not come quickly. It is not easy. You have to cross several hurdles, several challenges you will have to overcome step by step, but still continue with the same level of perspiration and enthusiasm. Only then you will be able to taste the nectar of success. As Mr. Winston Churchill rightly said, success is walking from failure to failure, with no loss of enthusiasm. Whatever may be the challenge you may come across, you may have to face, you may have to overcome. Never lose your hope. Be confident on yourself. Just keep moving forward. Have your goals always in front of your mind. Visualize yourself as having achieved your goals and behave as if you have become the person you want to become. And that's the secret to succeed in life. The reason why many people don't succeed is that they are not prepared to take up the necessary efforts to succeed in life. There is a lack of persistence among the masses, and that's the reason for failure. Be prepared to foresee your successful future. Decide your goals. Be confident about yourself. Be prepared to take the action to reach your goals and continuously keep visualizing your goals and trying to reach it. As Mr. James Williams has rightly said, we become what we think about. Let me say it again. We become what we think about. Thus, always think about your goals, the success and type of personality you want to be. Just keep meditating on your goals from within your heart. But that's not enough. You will have to take the necessary efforts and that too consistently. Give your heart and soul for the fulfillment of your long-term goals until you really become that. As John Mitchell rightly says, our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. To repeat it again, our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. Some people have a positive attitude and some have a negative attitude, and that makes every individual unique from one another. A person with a positive attitude always gets so much attention for their good behavior, but a person with a negative attitude gets hate for the different behavior. Eliminate all negative thoughts from your mind and instead always try to develop positive thoughts in your mind, positive thoughts about you and about your goals. Take control of your mind. Always bear in mind that you should live to achieve your goals. You should have to deliver more service than the returns you get. If you consistently practice that, success will come in search of you and you will be highly amazed by the transformation that happens in your life. Never ever bother about what others will think of you. They may be thinking nobody has got time to think about others. They may be thinking about themselves. So what others think of you is none of your business. And just remember that the more you concentrate and pay attention to your positive vibes, the most successful your future will be. Just understand, friends, that the mirror never loses its ability to reflect, even if it is broken into several pieces. So never change your individuality under any circumstance. Never ever worry about your past. Your past is lost, it's gone. Your past is a cancelled check. It doesn't have any value for you. Your present is cash in hand, and your future is a post-dated check, which is of no use until the date of the check arrives. So you will have to decide what is that you're going to do with the cash in hand that is a present. You have to utilize it properly. Try to improve your skills, try to improve your talents, capitalize on that, and just spread. Help people develop their skills and talent. You should have to decide how you're going to spend your present time, whether to succeed, whether to take the necessary efforts towards your goals and succeed in life, or just sit and droop over the past, spend time worrying. So you have to decide what is it that you want to reap in life, whether you want to succeed in life or not. So just utilize your present moment, fill it with positive thoughts, take action, and keep marching towards your goals. Always aim to earn money by providing the best service possible with the utmost utilization of your ability. And financial returns will follow you in proportion to the effort you put in, wherever you are. You may be an entrepreneur, you may be a student, or you may be an employee of a multinational company. Wherever you are, whatever role you play, you should be very determined that I'm going to give my best service to whatever I do. So if you follow this principle very strongly, believe me, you will be able to reap the benefits in multiple times. So be very determined to give your best, irrespective of whatever profession you may be in. And I assure you that money will follow you. There is nothing in this world that is impossible. Everything is possible, but only if you are prepared to pay the price for it. If you want to provide the best service, You should have to work with enthusiasm, love what you do, then it will no more be a burden, instead will prove to be a recurring asset for you. Suppose you are a student, you should have enthusiasm and curiosity to learn many things. You should be enthusiastically attending the classes. You have to take enough efforts to improve your knowledge, and automatically your results will follow. So thus to conclude, always follow certain steps that is required to succeed. Number one, have a well-defined and well-crafted goal. Two, never put yourself down by feeling inferior to others, and that's never true. Always believe that you have the ability to achieve anything that you put your heart to. When somebody else can do it, why can't you? Three, develop a positive mindset and never allow external forces to prevent you from achieving your goals. Four, keep thinking positive about your future achievements. Visualize your goals and work towards it. 5. Always think that you are a positive person. In terms of positive thoughts has to be there in your mind. 6. Behave in such a way that you achieved your goals. You should be able to always visualize your goals in front of your mind whenever you feel depressed. You should create that self-motivation within you if you want to really succeed in life. Dear friends, bear in mind that your success or failure is based on your thoughts. Mind your thoughts. Frame positive mindset. Keep taking action on your goals. Monitor your progress. Have a flexible plan to achieve your goals, and that's it. You will be achieving more and more success and happiness in your life. And if you want to really succeed, you have to follow these steps. Frame a goal you want to achieve in the next 15 years, and frame short-term goals that depends on the long-term goals and that you need to accomplish to reach the long-term goals. Set a deadline for each and every goal that you frame. Only if you have a deadline before which you need to reach that goal, you will be able to quickly take the efforts to achieve it. When you set your goals, you may come across a number of alternative decisions. You may come across a lot of challenges. You have to be very confident in overcoming all those things. You should be very confident in taking decisions. Make use of your decision making skills to judge which will better suit you. Make a habit of writing a diary where you're listing the important tasks that you accomplish every day. When you start writing the diary, on the first page, you should write your goals. As I told you, for the next 15 years, what you want to achieve and what are the short-term goals that you need to accomplish in order to reach your long-term goals. So that has to be written very clearly. You should have a wonderful diary in which you're going to write on the first page all these goals. Then put date on every day and just list out what are the efforts you have taken towards your goals. Keep monitoring. Find out what you were not able to achieve on a particular day and also analyze what was the reason behind it. The forthcoming days, you need to avoid such activities or thoughts that hinders you in achieving your goals. Some days may not be favorable to you. You may not find enough time to work towards your goal. 1 or 2 days, doesn't matter. Be a flexible mindset. You should not get depressed just because one day you are not able to work towards your goal. 1 or 2 days is okay. Then again, you will have to catch up. If you consistently keep doing this, soon you will witness that your life is becoming more fruitful. Listen to this for the next 90 days, twice a day, and you will witness that your life is changing positively. Today is the day. Come on, get started. You have nothing to lose, but a very successful future is going to be yours. You have a lot of opportunities to grab and make your life bright, colorful, and peaceful. All the best on your 90 days journey. Thank you.